So step one, we'll need to log in or sign into Geegpay. So all you need to do is come to this site here. This site is called m.geekpay.africa/alt. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video. So just click on it and it will take you to this page where you can sign up or create an account. If you already have an account, you can just sign into Geegpay and put your email and your password. But if you don't have an account, all you need to do is click on create an account. Then to ask you, how would you like to use Geegpay, as a freelancer or as a company? So most of you guys are freelancers, so just click this. But if you're a company, you can click this. Then select your country of residence. So I'm just going to pick Nigeria and continue. And of course, you put your email and you put your referral code right here. So I'm going to drop my referral code in the link in the description, or just in the description basically. So ensure you copy the referral code and put it right here. And when you are done with that, you're going to have your Geegpay account ready. And so I'm going to log into my actual account and show you guys the whole interface and how everything is in Geegpay. Alright, so this is my Geegpay account and you can see my account balance right here. Let's just go over the accounts quickly. So you can see to receive payments, this is where I need to click to get my bank details and stuff. And if we scroll down, you can see we have exchange rates right here. This is the exchange rate for euro, pounds, and for dollar. Meaning that if I have $1, when Geegpay receive the amount, this is the amount they're going to pay. They're going to pay me 1,532. If I receive my payments in pounds, it will be 2,000 naira. If I receive my payments in euro, it will be 1,771 naira. Of course, if you are signing up and from Ghana, you have your local currency there. So as you can see my transactions right here. Yeah, so this way you see your transactions, your payments, your withdrawal, and all of that. To view more transactions, you can click here to have that. Now let's go over the interface right here. You can see this is the dashboard. The next is the invoice. In this invoice part, you can use it to invoice your clients that are outside Upwork. So if you do a job for a client and they're outside Upwork, they don't want to pay with Upwork, you can just create an invoice for them. You can click on create a new invoice. Then you need to add a new customer. You need their names, you need their email address, and you need other details like their country, street address, state, PT, postal code, and so on and so forth. So that's how I used to collect payments for clients that are outside of Upwork. They also have a section called cards here. I don't have a card now because I use another platform to get a card, my virtual card, but I'm going to be creating one on Geegpay. So let's just click on create new card. So what it was, once click on virtual card. Actually, the reason why I had not created my card yet was because Geegpay had not launched this feature yet. What they said was that it was coming soon, but now it's available and I think it's time for me to just create it now. So they said nickname. Let me just enter my name here, Anointed Peros. Then click on continue. They say select payment source. Let's just do that. Okay, let me just use my dollar account. Amount to fund, let me say I want to put $5 on it. And the creation fee, as you can see here, they charge $3 for creation fee. We're just going to use that and I'll click on create. So it's creating the card basically, and we're just going to be patient for a while and I'm going to continue the video. Oh, that was so fast. So you can see they say I should view card details and all of that. So whenever I want to use it, I'm going to come and view my card details. I'm sure you guys know how to create your card now using Geegpay. Of course, you can use this card to make online payments also and so many other things. Now that we're done with card, created the card live in this video, let's go to wallet. In the part of wallet, this is where you get to create your account number. So you just click on wallet, scroll down, you can see some of the payments and all of that. I already have my account number here, but basically when you come, you're not going to have any account number. All you need to do, just create your account number. It's very easy. Just follow the process there and everything will work out fine. Then if you click here on transactions, you can see just my transactions basically. If you come here to payments, you can see beneficiaries, payment links. I don't want to go into that now. You also have bill payments here, just in case you want to buy airtime, internet, electricity, or cable. I usually don't use this, but you can also try it out. And then they also have a part called rewards. They say invite friends to earn $102. You can earn this. So this is basically it. And then other perks, right? So you can just check this out if you want. Since we are going to be using Geegpay to connect to our Upwork account to receive payments, I'm just going to go straight back into the wallet section and then I'm going to copy my account details here. I want you to do the same thing. You are going to copy your account details and paste it somewhere that you're going to use it, probably on your notepad or somewhere in your laptop or your phone, because you're going to use those details when connecting your Geegpay to Upwork account. Basically, we are going to need your Geegpay account to receive payments from Upwork when you start charging your clients and all of that. So that's what we're going to go into now and let's get into it. All right, now we are back to Upwork. This is basically my Upwork dashboard. So for you to be able to connect your Geegpay account with Upwork, this is what you need to do. Number one, click on this icon right here and click on account settings. Once it loads up, I want you to come over to this part where it says get paid. click on it. If you've set up your account already, you can just click on get paid now and all of that. But I'm assuming that you've not connected your account yet. So this is how you do it. You scroll down, come to withdrawal methods and click on add a method. Then next thing you need to do is, you see they said recommended for Nigeria. They can send directly to your bank account, which will cost you about $1 per withdrawal and all of that. But just to avoid any complications and stress, I recommend you just send it directly to a US bank account, which we've created with Geegpay already. So just click on setup. Now, all you need to do is fill in these details, and these details, remember, you have them here in your Geegpay account. So just copy them, copy your account name, your account holder, your bank name, account number and routing number. Come over to Upwork and paste them one at a time. You can paste your routing number, account number, and you can confirm your account number. After you do that, you click on add bank account. But as you can see here, Upwork says this payment method will become active in 3 days. So it will take you about 3 days for you to start receiving payment. And if you scroll back up, they also said it here, get access to your funds in 3 to 5 business days with no fees. Basically, this is how to set it up. One more thing, I also want to add something for you guys. After you set up your payments process here, as you can see, I have Payoneer and Geegpay. Basically, initially I was using Payoneer, but their charges was a little high, so I switched to Geegpay. You can see preferred. Once you have set it up, I want you to come to withdrawal schedule and click on this icon here. Then select the preferred bank account. That's probably if you've used 1 or 2 banks, or you've used more than 1 bank in the past. So just click on the preferred one. Then you can see they have 0 withdrawal fee. Now this is what I want you to do. Under preferred withdrawal schedule, check, do you want your payment to be quarterly, monthly, twice per month, or weekly? Yeah, that's if you have money in your account. You see minimum withdrawal amount. You can see we have $1,000 or more, $900 or more, $100 or more. Meaning, if you have $1,000 in your account, should they just send the money immediately without you having to do the work? Or if I select $100 or more, does it mean that the moment $100 take on my account, bam, they will send the money immediately to your Geegpay account? Is that what you want? It depends. If that's what you want, it's fine. So you see, they can say today do it weekly, every Wednesday. If you have $100, they'll be sending $100. They'll be sending the money as long as it processes $100. If you want twice per month, same thing. You'll gather the money and send it twice per month, monthly or quarterly. For me, I put weekly, but I put it at $1,000 per month, basically. So the money gets $1,000, they can send it. But for the rest, I want to do it manually because sometimes I need a lot of money, sometimes I need just little cash for 1 or 2 stuff. So after you are done with that, just click on save changes. Okay, I'm not saving the changes. Actually, I'm not canceling. Basically, I will encourage you to leave some change in your Upwork account. Don't withdraw everything all the time because you might need to get connect to keep your business going. One more thing I would like to add is that it takes around 1 day for you to receive your payments from Geegpay. Yeah, so if you place your payments on Monday, you will receive your payments on Tuesday, not that same Monday. I think Upwork does not place withdrawals in the weekend. So if you want to make withdrawal, make sure you place your withdrawal on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. If you place your withdrawal on Friday, you will not receive your payments till the next week Monday. So please make sure you place your withdrawals either on Monday or on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. These are the ideal days to place withdrawals. If you place withdrawals on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, you are going to receive your money on Monday. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.